Hello children and friends. I'm today going to teach you a healthy version of sweet, that is dates and nuts balls. These are the ingredients you require. Here, tequila. Here, the bowls are tequila. See, I've got a bowl of half a cup cashew nut, walnut, and almond, and there's dates, sultanas, and just a tablespoon of ghee. I've roasted all these nuts a little bit. All you have to do now is take a mixer grinder and grind everything together. These are seedless dates. Ghee is optional. It gives a nice flavor when you use it. That's why I'm using it. See, this is how it looks when you grind. May not be very fine, little bit coarse. Now we have to take this, take a small quantity and make a ball. That is it. Please do make it and enjoy at home. Thank you. Thank you, children. Please do it at home. Everyone can make balls. All children are very expert at making balls. Mothers, please do make this at home and enjoy. Thank you.